Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add a moving or animated banner in Google Sites. If you want your site to look a little more alive, with motion or an eye-catching header, this is the full 2026 method that still works. So, first thing, open the Google site where you want the animated banner and make sure you're already signed in with your Google account. Next, scroll up to the top and click on the header section. Yeah, the big top area. This is where we'll add the animation. Now, the simplest way to make the banner move is to upload a GIF. Google Sites treats a GIF like any other image, but it keeps the animation, which is really nice. Once you upload the GIF, give it a second, it'll load and start moving automatically. If the GIF looks a little dark or washed out, you can turn off the automatic readability filter, that gray overlay. And if you want a bigger animated banner, switch the header type to a large banner or cover. If you want smoother animation, you can also use a looping video. Just upload a short MP4 to Google Drive, then insert it into the header using the embed option. But make sure the video is set to autoplay and loop. After the animation looks right, go ahead and hit publish. Sometimes you have to refresh the live site once or twice to see the animation kick in, and that's pretty much it. A quick way to add a moving or animated banner inside Google Sites. If this helped, feel free to subscribe and stick around for more 2026 tutorials. See you in the next one.